This is how they make ancient bread. Once the rough seeds are ground into a fine powder, they are sifted to remove any sharp pieces of husk, after which the powder is mixed with water and left to sit in the open air for several days. So the dough begins to rise and expand without needing any modern ingredients. As it sits, the natural sugars in the grain break down, which creates tiny bubbles of gas that give the mixture its light and airy texture, which is why the dough is kneaded by hand to strengthen the structure, after which it is carefully put onto the side of a roaring furnace without falling in. But the furnace must be kept at a scorching temperature inside a clay dome, because if the heat drops too low, the dough will turn into a hard rock instead of a soft meal, finally creating a loaf of ancient sourdough bread. Like and follow for more.